Good afternoon, Mayfield. This is Miss McPhee, and let me start off by saying Happy Veterans Day. It is Thursday, November 11th, and we appreciate all of our veterans, especially my dad and my sister, so thank you. This is a video for my Math 6 students. The homework this week was on looking at different rates by looking at double number lines as well as looking at tables. And I gave out all of my extra homeworks, but I did go to our shoebox, and there were several students that asked for the first question, which I believe is this one here, so I printed off just this question. Reminder, your homework that you have yourself, either you're doing it on paper or you're doing it online, it is front and back. Mine is not, because I only printed out this one question for the purpose of doing our video. A shop sells bagels $5 per dozen. So the $5 went here in price, and a dozen means 12. So we put the 12 here for our bagels. We're going to use this table now to answer the questions. At this rate, how much would 6 bagels cost? So we have to first decide where the 6 is going to go. Is that going to go in price, or is that going to go in bagels? Obviously, it's going to go in bagels. And then we're looking for those relationships. So you want to ask yourself, only using multiplication or division, how can I change my 12 into 6? And we can divide. We can divide by 2. Must be the afternoon. And we want to make this an equivalent answer. So we're going to divide our 5 divided by 2. A division problem is a fraction. So if you write this as 5 over 2, mathematically that's a fine answer. Since we're talking about price, it might look a little bit better if we write it as a decimal. So 5 halves is the same thing as 2 1/2, which is the same thing as 2 1/2. So if we're talking money, we would probably want to write $2.50. But mathematically, if you get this answer, you're showing me that you understand how to use the table to get your answer. The $2.50 is a little bit better because it shows us that you understand what your answer means. 5 halves means it's going to cost $2.50 for our 6 bagels. How many bagels can we buy for $50? So where's the $50 going to go? It's going to go here in price. And then a couple of ways you might want to solve this. There's lots of ways to get our right answer. Maybe you see right away that you could multiply 5 times 10 to get 50. To keep it equivalent, then you're going to multiply your 12 bagels times 10. And 12 times 10 is 120. So we can buy 120 bagels for $50. You might see other strategies that you can use in the table that will still get you those right answers. And if you see those strategies, I want you to use them. The nice thing about this table is it does allow you a lot of personal choice as to which direction you want to go. Do you want to multiply? Do you want to divide? How many steps do you want to take until you ultimately arrive at your final answer? I hope that helps. We're going to continue with lesson 13 tomorrow, and we'll have a classwork grade next week. Take care, everybody, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.